Are you in the market for an air inflator? Well, I've got you covered. Today we're taking a look at Fanttik's Apex X8 air inflator, and it's a total beast. So let's check it out. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new to the channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to receive notifications. In today's episode, we have another awesome product by Fanttik. We have the X8 Apex Portable Air Inflator, and this thing does not mess around. We have all of our links and details located in the description, so be sure to check that out. So Fanttik has definitely impressed us in the past, and I'm pretty sure this time won't be any different. Just looking over the specs of this battery-powered air inflator lets me know they are not messing around. So first, let's see what's in the box, then we'll go see what it can do. Alright, so we have the Fanttik X8 Apex Air Inflator. It can go up to 150 PSI. Use it to air up the tires on your car. We have ball mode, a bike mode, motorcycle mode, car mode, and a manual mode. On the bottom of the box, it tells you everything that comes in it with some specifications. So let's get out of the box and see what it looks like. Right on top, we have the inflator with some foam protecting it. Oh wow, feels real nice. Nice logo right there. Controls right here on the front. On the bottom we have a USB port and a USB-C port. Then on the top it has a port for the air hose. So let's see what else we get in the box. All comes nice in this little inner box. So we get the air hose, some small adapters, some paperwork, and a nice carrying bag that has a Velcro seal for your little accessories. Oh yeah, that'll hold all the little accessories without losing them. This is great. For this, it screws right up here on the top. Just like so. And this will go on the end of a valve stem to air up your tire on a car. Then we have a needle for a ball. And some more accessories, as well as your charging cable. So that's everything out of the box. Let's get it charged up and give it a try. The first impression, I absolutely love the way it feels. It's got a rugged feel to it, and the screen is so nice, easy to read. The buttons also have a nice feel to them. Overall, it really is an impressive piece of tech. Inside we have three 2600 milliamp batteries that is built for high capacity while giving plenty of battery life and standby time. And you can even use the USB port to charge your mobile device when you're not using it to inflate your tires. That's a pretty sweet feature considering who doesn't want an extra battery bank laying around.
Alright, we are outside here. We have got it charged up, ready to go. And as you can see, I have a low tire. So, perfect time to test it out. We're going to hold the power button down to power it on. Then you can choose the type of mode by pressing the button right here on the right. Then you can go through different settings. We have car mode, motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, and ball mode. And then manual mode. I like to use the manual mode, so we're going to go with that. You can change the PSI with the up and down arrows. That's what I like to use, so let's get it on here. Just screw it right onto the valve stem, no problem. And when you screw it in, it will tell you I have 24 pounds. I need this at 31, so let's hit 31 and we'll hit the power button. There it goes. Alright, so it's run a little bit, and once it's gotten it up to 32 PSI, it cut off, letting me know we're at the setting and we are ready to remove it. So that was pretty cool. Definitely did a good job. And of course, we also have a light. Hit the light button, gives you a flashlight if you need it. Hit it again and it blinks. Then you can turn it off. Real handy. I really am liking it. Another great job, Fanttik. Big fan. So the max weight is 150 psi on this bad boy. So I'll let some air out of the RV tire. Since it's at 100, let's see if it'll air it up. Still got the valve stem on. Alright, our readings are showing 99 psi. Let's put this at 101. Let's see what it'll do. And just like that, it got it up to 100 psi. And that is an RV tire. This is awesome.
After being able to use this inflator on my pickup and the RV, it's definitely a nice piece of tech to have in a road bag. It was really impressive seeing it work so well, so I would highly recommend it to anyone that's looking into it. Keep in mind we have our sponsor link located in the description if you'd like to check that out. And a big shout out to Fanttik for partnering up with us to give you this review. If you found this review helpful, then be sure to give it a like and let us know in the comments how you would take advantage of the X8 Apex Air Inflator. That is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on if you'd like to receive notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.